This segment is sponsored in part by PATRÓN El Alto.
Are you looking to wow your Halloween guests? We have a cocktail that will take your party to the next level. It was created by the queen of Halloween, Miss Heidi Klum, for her epic party right here in New York. You know Heidi for her costume creations. Each year she seems to outdo herself. But now, take a look at this. That right there is her black Magic-Rita. She's stunning. She's gorgeous. I can't even believe it. She partnered with PATRÓN El Alto to come up with this masterpiece right here. Joining us now is Veronica Chaparro, PATRÓN Tequila brand ambassador, and you are the woman that's going to show us how to make this easy.
Very simple.
Classic margarita with a witchy spin. I'm so excited. I love a margarita. I love Halloween. I love Heidi Klum.
What better way to celebrate Halloween than with the queen of Halloween herself,
Amen.
Heidi Klum, and of course in the great company of PATRÓN El Alto.
I love the way you say it. It's much
Gorgeous
better
bottle. A gorgeous bottle inspired by Los Altos de Jalisco, the highlands of Jalisco, which is our home. And of course, there was a very involved collaboration with Heidi to make this cocktail come to life, to make sure that it properly celebrated the occasion.
Where do we start?
So, of course, we're going to start with the gorgeous, lovely bottle of PATRÓN El Alto, which is
stunning.
an elegant blend of reposado tequila,
I love reposado.
añejo, and extra añejo.
Oh my goodness, all three.
Yes. So really, it's what separates us from the rest, right? It's what adds a lot of layer of complexity in terms of flavor, but also 100% de agave, so 100% Weber blue agave.
So this is what you would say is different about PATRÓN El Alto.
Yes, definitely.
I mean, that's so intricate for I don't even want to just call it a tequila. It's so much more.
It really is so much more.
I love it.
It's a blend really to give it its nice, smooth finish and
now
layers
what's happening
of flavor.
here?
So this here is a blackberry homemade syrup.
Hold on, Bobby, you gotta see this. Look at this. It's like a black goo, a purple gooey wonder. I love it.
It had to be purple. It had to be dark. It had to be spooky.
Amen.
Right? To celebrate the occasion, so we're going to use 1 ounce of that.
Ooh.
1 ounce of homemade blackberry syrup.
Oh my God.
Okay. It wouldn't be a margarita if we didn't use fresh lime juice.
Okay.
So we have to use some fresh
exactly.
lime juice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Only the best for the best.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh, we're being spoiled this morning here.
And then, I don't know about you, Alex, but I really love to add some spice to my margarita.
Yes, please.
Yes.
You're speaking my language, girl.
There we go. So we're going to be using some fire tincture.
Fire tincture. Now, where does the best place that one might be able to purchase this fire tincture?
Online retailers, you can look on Amazon, you can look on Drizzly, you can look at your local liquor stores.
Okay, I'll be
Usually
doing that
there's
this
a good
evening.
variety. There you go. So we're going to add just a dash of that.
Love it.
Only a little bit. If you're like me, you like it a little extra spicy. So I
can
like
have
to
a
add
heavy
a
hand
couple
there.
of extra ones. And then, very important, you don't want to miss. 1 very spooky glass.
I love a spooky
More
glass.
specifically, the black salt.
Yes.
I love a salty lick before my
doesn't?
sip of my margarita. So definitely want to start with that. You always want to add the salt before you pour in the liquid, just because it's a little tricky to do afterwards.
Of course. Should
right?
we shake her up?
We should shake her up.
Look
Now
at these
we're gonna
ice cubes.
take
Maron. Okay.
These
So delicate.
specialty ice cubes.
Yeah, really.
Alrighty.
The magic is about to happen.
You ready?
In this cauldron. Let's do it. I love that
There we
sound.
go.
On a Monday morning. This is great. And look, I can see it getting nice and
Margarita
cold.
Mondays.
I love it. Let's make that a thing here. Now, do you recommend making this individually or like batching it, or for best practices here?
The beauty of margaritas is that you can very easily batch them.
I love it.
So
Makes
it's
your life
great for
easier.
hosting parties.
Yes.
So as everybody's hosting their parties tomorrow, this will be a great serve for all your guests, of course, with PATRÓN El Alto. And look at that gorgeous, dark, blackberry
she
color.
is gorgeous.
And the foam, can't forget the foam.
The foam.
That's how you know it was a good shake.
Yes.
And then just plop that little ice cube in there.
I love that.
And there you have it. Heidi's Black Magic-Rita.
Beautiful.
With
Shall we
PATRÓN
give
El
it?
Alto.
Shall we give it a taste?
We should give it a taste.
I'll do this one.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my.
That is refreshing.
God, it
It's
is. It's so
delicious.
good. Let me get the salt side.
Has a nice little kick to it.
Are you dressing up for Halloween this year?
I am.
What are you being?
Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce.
Stop.
I'm not
The
joking.
costume of the year from what I've seen on Instagram so far. I love it. Well, have a great night. I hope you batch these for your guests if you're having a party.
You know I will.
Cheers.
I hope you do too.
And listen, to get the Heidi Black Magic-Rita drink recipe, scan that QR code. It's right there on your screen. You can thank us later. Veronica, thank you so much for being here. This was amazing.
Thank you for having me.
This is my favorite color too, so I'm already a fan.